I already made a video showing you how to host your own images to Google Drive or OneDrive, and then to get links for those images to use them in your archive of our own post, or to take the HTML and use it in WordPress. When I did those videos, I had forgotten about Dropbox because I haven't been using Dropbox for some time. But Dropbox is actually maybe perhaps the actual easiest way of doing it. So it would be remiss of me not to make a video for that. So let's just dive in very quickly. I'm just doing this all on Android on my tablet as always. For the desktop version, you just, it's around about the same thing. It's not a different action. So let's just dive straight in. So you want to be logged into your AO3 account, and you want to be in the rich text, not the HTML view, okay? You then want to go to your Dropbox folder. This is Dropbox Online, meaning I'm not using the app on my tablet. I'm literally just went to Dropbox and logged in on Chrome on my tablet. I am not even, I'm in the desktop site view here, which is important to avoid any nonsense. You just want to be in the desktop view. So all you have to do, this is from an earlier test, let me close that. All you have to do is click on the image and press Open Image in New Tab. You then want to go to Open Image in New Tab. You can then just use the share feature to copy to clipboard, go straight back to AO3. I like to center my images, so I'll press the center button. Then I'll just put the link that I just copied into there. As we all know, when the numbers pop up, that means it's okay. Press OK, bang, there's the picture. There's literally nothing more to it. Now, here's the important rule, because when you're using Android, or if you're using iPhone, or if you're using desktop, or you're using Mac, it's always just good to know what the rule is. The rule here is that you want to have opened the image in a new tab. This code at the top of the screen, the URL, these two codes are not the same. As you can see, they're different. This one here that you get, if you copied that one, it wouldn't work. So you need it to open it in a new tab. You need to copy and paste that code. So on desktop, you'd literally just copy and paste the code straight out of the box, straight into the insert edit image here, and then it will work. Give me a second to show it to you in preview mode. And there it is previewed. As you know, I can post, save without posting. Give me a second to show you the HTML at the back. I keep posting it because I'm logged into my account, so obviously it has all of my details, which is unnecessary for this tutorial. So you can see the code in the back here, and you can see that, like with OneDrive, the code that you get from Dropbox is extremely long. And if you are posting in a place that has a pretty small limit to the amount of characters you can use, links this long, especially if you're using multiple pictures, become a problem, which is why one of the reasons that I switched to using Google Drive, because those links are just much shorter. But anyway, that's the link, and as you know, if we copied it and then pasted it somewhere else, and then we go back to the rich text view, you can see that that now shows up twice. So that code can be copied and pasted and used anywhere on blog post or anywhere that you wanted to on the net. And that's all there is to using it with Dropbox. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.